The origins of the kind plate concept can be traced back to early efforts in waste management and sustainable living, which emerged as societal awareness regarding environmental degradation increased globally. In the late 1980s, food service establishments began implementing portion control measures due to growing concerns over food waste in industrialized nations. These initiatives were often prompted by financial incentives, such as reduced operational costs and improved image with environmentally conscious customers. The concept of reducing excess food waste evolved significantly during the early 2000s, when studies began to quantify the environmental impacts, such as carbon emissions from landfills where organic waste decomposes, leading to a greater emphasis on sustainability in business practices. In 2010, global food waste was estimated at approximately 1/3 of all produced food, resulting in significant greenhouse gas emissions equivalent to 3.3 gigatons of CO2 annually. This stark statistic drove policymakers and businesses alike towards implementing stricter measures to mitigate this issue. Major turning points occurred in the late 2010s as governments around the world began enacting regulations targeting food waste at household, commercial, and industrial levels. For instance, France implemented a law requiring all supermarkets to donate unsold produce to charities by 2025, which has since been followed by other countries, including Austria and Belgium. Additionally, businesses increasingly adopted strategies such as portion control, meal preparation for takeout or catering, and using technology like IoT sensors that monitor inventory levels in real time. As a result of these measures, measurable improvements have been observed. In the United States alone, food waste per capita dropped by 15% from 2014 to 2019, with corresponding reductions in greenhouse gas emissions, equivalent to more than 1 million metric tons of CO2 annually. This shift not only benefits the environment but also addresses economic challenges associated with reducing waste and increasing resource utilization. However, there are drawbacks as well. Some argue that portion control measures can inadvertently lead to higher prices for consumers due to increased costs of labor and supplies, potentially exacerbating income inequality in low-income communities who may have limited disposable income. Furthermore, the implementation of such strategies necessitates ongoing education campaigns, targeting both businesses and consumers regarding their importance. Moving forward, it is expected that the kind plate concept will continue to evolve as global efforts intensify towards achieving sustainable food systems by 2050. Innovations in technology like AI-driven waste, prediction tools, and blockchain for transparent tracking could further enhance efficacy of these measures. Nonetheless, continued interdisciplinary collaboration between government officials, industry leaders, researchers, and community members remains crucial to realize the full potential of reducing food waste effectively and sustainably.